Ever been stuck at a restaurant, scrambling to split the bill because nobody has cash? Or maybe you owe your friend for concert tickets. In today's digital age, the age-old question of who's got 20s is a relic of the past. Thanks to peer-to-peer payment apps like Zelle and Venmo, settling debts and sending money is as easy as tapping a few buttons on your phone. But with so many options available, choosing the right platform can feel overwhelming. Both Zelle and Venmo boast lightning-fast transfers and user-friendly interfaces, but beneath the surface, there are key differences that could make a big impact on your financial life. So, which app reigns supreme? Tonight, we're throwing Zelle and Venmo into the digital coliseum for a financial fight night to see who comes out on top. Round 1, Speed and Security. Let's face it, nobody likes waiting for money. In the battle for speed, both apps deliver knockout punches. Transfers using Zelle are typically instant, meaning the money hits your friend's account as soon as you hit send. Venmo boasts similar speed, with most transactions clearing within minutes. Security is another crucial factor. Both platforms utilize encryption to safeguard your financial information, but their approaches differ slightly. Zelle leverages the existing security measures of your bank, so you can rest assured knowing your money is protected by the same protocols you trust with your everyday banking. Venmo, on the other hand, has its own built-in security features. While convenient, it's important to be mindful of who you send money to on Venmo, as transactions can be public by default. More on that later. Decision time. Speed demons will appreciate the near-instantaneous transfers of both apps. For those prioritizing robust security measures, Zelle's integration with your bank's security system might be the winning feature. Round 2, Features and Functionality. Let's face it, sometimes sending money just isn't enough. You might want to split a dinner bill with friends, add a funny gift to your payment for good measure, or keep track of past transactions. This is where Venmo starts to flex its muscles. The app boasts a vibrant social element, allowing you to add comments and emojis to payments, creating a more interactive experience. Splitting bills is a breeze with Venmo's built-in splitting feature, perfect for those post-hangout settlements. Zelle, on the other hand, keeps things simple. Its focus is purely on sending and receiving money. There are no social features or bill-splitting tools. While this might seem like a drawback, it also makes Zelle a more streamlined and secure option for those who prioritize privacy and straightforward transactions. Decision time. Social butterflies and those who frequently split bills will find Venmo's features a major convenience. If privacy and a no-frills approach are your priorities, Zelle might be the better fit. Round 3, Fees and Limits. In the battle for your wallet, fees can be a deal-breaker. Both Zelle and Venmo are generally free to use for basic transactions between friends and family. However, there are some nuances to consider. Zelle leverages your existing bank account, so any fees associated with money transfers would be determined by your bank's policies. Venmo charges fees for instant transfers using a debit or credit card, but standard transfers from your bank account are free. Limits also come into play. Zelle's transfer limits are typically determined by your bank, while Venmo imposes its own limits, which can vary depending on your account verification status. Decision time. If you plan on sending large sums of money regularly, you'll want to consider your bank's Zelle transfer limits. For those who don't mind waiting a bit for the free transfer option, Venmo can be a cost-effective solution. The final verdict, it's a draw. So, who wins the Zelle versus Venmo showdown? The truth is, there's no clear victor. Both apps excel in different areas. Choose Zelle if security is your top priority. You value a no-frills, streamlined experience. You plan on sending large sums of money. Choose Venmo if you enjoy the social aspects of money transfers. Splitting bills with friends is a frequent occurrence. You don't mind waiting a bit for free transfers. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider what features are most important to you, how much money you typically send or receive, and how much weight you place on security and privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.